This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards station WNG706, operating on frequency 100. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wake County, northeastern Chatham County, southern Durham County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cary, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, RDU International, Apex, Morrisville, Gorman, William B. Umstead State Park, Parkwood, and Jordan Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Durham, and Wake. This is NOAA Weather Radio.